Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about turning off or disabling two-factor authentication on your Reddit account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is sign into Reddit and set your user account logo up in the top right. And then you want to go down and select the settings gear button near the bottom of this list. And then once you're on the settings page, you want to go underneath account authorization and select two-factor authentication down here. Click inside the oval to toggle it to the left to disable it, and you would need to insert your password in order to go ahead and confirm that change. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.